India versus Pakistan military, ranking, manpower, budget and more. India and Pakistan have been at loggerheads after terrorists on Tuesday opened fire in Basran, a popular tourist spot in the upper reaches of Pahalgam in Anantnag district, killing 26 people, mostly holidays from other states. While Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted that the killers would be pursued to the ends of the earth, the Pakistan military has been put on high alert following India's vow to hunt down the terrorists involved in the Pahalgam strike. With rising tension between the neighboring countries, let us compare and analyze the militaries of India and Pakistan. Military ranking. As per the Global Firepower Index, that considers 60 factors to determine the fighting potential of a country, in terms of world's most powerful armies, India ranks 4th while Pakistan is at position 12. Aircraft fleet strength. India has 2,229 total military planes, which makes it rank in the top 5 countries with the highest combat aircraft fleet strength, with US topping the list, the stat-based site said. Meanwhile, Pakistan is at number 7 on the list with 1,399 planes. India has 513 fighter aircraft, while Pakistan lags behind with 328 fighter aircraft. When it comes to aerial tankers, India has 6 and Pakistan 4. However, with 565 trainers, Pakistan beats India, which has 351 trainers. Naval power. With a fleet strength of 293, India ranks number 6 while Pakistan is positioned at 27 with a strength of 121. Meanwhile, India has 2 aircraft carriers and Pakistan is yet to open its account. Similarly, while Pakistan does not own any destroyers, India has 13. When it comes to submarines, India ranks 7 and Pakistan 11, with 18 and 8 submarines, respectively. Manpower. India ranks 2nd globally with 14,55,550 active personnel, while Pakistan, with 6,54,000, ranks 7th. When it comes to paramilitary forces, India has 25,27,000, while the neighboring nation has only 5 lakhs. There is a vast difference in the number of people reaching military age annually in the two countries, owing to the population difference. A total of 2,39,55,181 people achieve military age in India every year, while 47,94,908 reach the age in Pakistan. Defense budget. India's defense budget for 2025-26 is 6,81,210 crore rupees, while Pakistan's defense budget this year is reportedly 2,281 billion rupees, 2,28,100 crore rupees. Arms supplier. India. The Indian armed forces mostly comprises Russia and Soviet origin equipment, as well as some smaller arms that are Western and domestically produced. While France, Israel, and the US are also among major arms suppliers in India, Russia is the leading supplier. Pakistan. Since Pakistan has a non-NATO ally, MNNA, status with the US, its inventories mostly come from China, France, Russia, Turkey, with China being the leading arms supplier in the country. Pakistan has a domestic defense industry as well.